Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. In this video we will learn how to schedule meetings in TrackHr app. Open TrackHr app in your phone. As soon as you open the app, you will come to the home screen. To create a meeting, we will open the dashboard, which opens by clicking on the icon of 3 bars in the top left and click on the meeting button below. By doing this, we will be on the screen of the list of meetings. To create a new meeting, we will press the blue button of Add Meeting given below. By doing this, the TrackHr app will ask us for category selection. After choosing, we will fill the name of this meeting. After filling the name of the meeting, we can also set the description of the meeting. After this, we will fill the location of the meeting like Conference Room 1 so that all the attendees know where the meeting is taking place. After this, we will select the planned duration of the meeting, which can be set in hours and minutes. After this, we will select the scheduled date of the meeting for which this meeting is being scheduled. In case of virtual or online meetings, if we want a Google Meet link to be automatically created for this meeting and automatically reaches all the people, then we can turn on the Create Google Meet switch. For this, it is necessary for our Google account to be linked to the TrackHr, which you can do by going to Console Settings. After setting all this, we will click on Next. Here we will select the scheduled time of the meeting. If we already have some meetings scheduled on the date of the meeting, then we will see all those meetings in the list of pending meetings below, so that we can select such a time which does not clash with the times of other meetings. After doing this, we will click Next. In this place, we will add all the participants of the meeting by typing their names and click on Next. On this screen, we will select the host of the meeting. The host of the meeting is the person among all the participants who can start, end, and can share minutes of the meeting. After selecting the host from the list of given people, we will also see the mic icon next to its name. After this, we will click on Save. As soon as we save, the app will show us the details of the meetings and will automatically send the notification of the meeting to the phones of all the attendees, and along with this, it will also set the alarm to remind you of the meeting 5 minutes before the scheduled time. Similarly, in a few simple steps, we can easily schedule all the meetings and training of our office in TrackHr app.